What's up, guys? ULoyisoBala, the business manager for Umhlobo FM, and I'm here to headquarters in Maxhosa, Africa, to officially announce that Maxhosa is our official partner for Impolo Yabahlobo November 2025.
Already Bahlali, Laduma.mp4, Chief Creative Director and Founder of Maxhosa Africa. This year we have partnered with November, hlobo as Maxhosa Africa, and we will be setting up a beautiful marquee, which is the first of its kind. We as Maxhosa, we will be displaying our latest collection of rugs. We will be displaying our latest collection of cushions. We've specially asked Mercedes-Benz as well to bring down a G-Wagon, which is a new model, on the 29th of November. Come best dressed. Enkosi, siyabulela, sizabonana khona.